Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on and off vibrate on tap in Redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, scroll up and go to the setting icon. So click on the setting icon. Now here you will see many options. Scroll up some more and click on the sound and vibration option. So click on that. Here you will see many options. Scroll up and you have to click on the vibrate on tap option. Here you will see, click on that, which is already off in our mobile phone. If you want to on vibrate on tap, you will on. In this way you will see when we tap on our screen it produces vibration. Then click on that and then scroll up and then off vibrate on tap. In this way click on that and off. In this way vibration on tap is off in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.